Assalamualaikum. This is my demo video on my FFP project Vision Based Navigation Robot. My name is Amir Abdullah Razak. I'm the supervisor by Prof. Dr. Salida binti Boyamin. For my objectives for this FYP project is to develop a system for a robot that could navigate autonomously. Then the second is to implement the system in a greenhouse application. For the third objective is to integrate a vision-based solution in navigation. So this FIP project I will not use GPS solution. Instead of I will using a camera solution. So methodology is that I put a camera on top of the greenhouse so it can capture and locate where is the plant and where is the robot. This is a step of methodology. It will capture the image and then Raspberry Pi will process the image to determine where the robot and where the plant. And the third, from the data we can navigate the robot by sending which plant or which coordinate that robot want to go to the Arduino, then Arduino will navigate the robot. Okay, this is what I explained before. Okay, for the upper camera, this is my setting for the camera and the plant, and this is what how is the system looks for the Raspberry Pi. As you can see, this is my program. This is program is literally for the camera to detect the color for the plant and the robot. As you can see, the plant stands for green, while the robot stands for blue. Yeah, that's the robot. You see, I try to move the robot. So as you can see, on top of it is the X and Y. Well, because of this video is kind overlap, I show this is another video where the camera capture the coordinate of the plant, and each plant has a number 1, 2, 3, and a robot also has a number and coordinate. Okay, from this data we can use to predefine. The function of predefine is to determine the coordinate of the plant, because the plant is fixed, so we did not have to change the coordinate of the plant. The coordinate that we always want to update time to time is the robot. So what we do is we put this type of coordinate that this data that was made manually for the predefined function, and as you can see, XR stand for robot is not available because in the time I didn't put the robot blue color, so the system didn't found where's the coordinate. Okay, for the navigation robot I will be using the Arduino, as you can see. Okay, this is an example why I'm using this coordinate, because the original coordinate is larger value, so it will take more time to see how does the robot move. Let's say this we want to go to the this point 7.6. As you can see, the robot facing right, while the axis of the robot keep increasing, the move is forward. So the robot is right now moving from the left to the right. So from that, as you can see, after the coordinate of x-axis of plant and robot is the same, the robot will rotate 90 degrees, and after that it will move forward, and then the displacement, the change of coordinate for the Y robot towards the Y plane until all the X and Y for plane and Y for robot is the same. It will stop and arrive. So conclusion for this project, the camera have to put in fixed position because how the program works, it depends on the distance of the camera. So if the camera move, the coordinate of the plant that were fixed will change from time. So it is considered as a fragile because if, let's say, if the camera is be touched by a bird or strong wind, the coordinate and the data will have to change. But if we use the predefined function, not manually, automatically, the solution can be solved. That's all. Thank you.